Today I want to touch a really important subject regarding Roborock S7 MaxV. By looking specifications, Roborock S7 MaxV is a really good device. There is a lot of tests showing that, and that is not a problem. The main concern which I always have with any kind of products is longevity. And today we are touching that subject, and I hope you will enjoy it. Before we go in depth, I want to show you one important information. So this is my personal Roborock S7 MaxV. This is my apartment, and I'm using this unit for around 5 months. In these 5 months, I never cleaned this Roborock S7 MaxV. When I say clean, I just emptied a dustbin and that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I will show you cleaning history. It is 51 hours, 2,133 square meters, 147 cycles. Nothing insane, but considering that here you can check a maintenance, I never cleaned the sensors, filter, main brush, side brush, anything. Literally I never turned the robot upside down to see if it's clogged or something like that. Actually, it never happened in the practice. So let's check out and see what is happening below. Okay, you know how they say the product is good that much how much it can serve. So here it is. This is what we have upside down. As you can see, the side brush is really full of hair. The middle wheel not that bad. The main brush on the sides and on the middle. I will remove the mopping pad. It is not needed right now. Also, I will remove water tank. And this is not that bad situation. Also consider that I don't have pets. It's just 2-3 people in the home, and this is normal. I never got any error or something like that. But as far as I can see, a capable machine which can handle particularly well if you don't maintain it regularly. And I don't recommend you to don't maintain your device. Trust me, this can shorter lifespan of the motor. That is completely common sense, but I really wanted to test device realistically and see how will it behave, because not all people have a tendency to non-stop maintain, clean and something like that. So this is a realistic situation. How people I met a lot of people who have a robot vacuum and they don't maintain it at all. They have that opinion that, okay, why should I do that when it just cleans? It works. Yes, it works, but how much it will work if you don't maintain it? Let's clean it a bit and see further when we remove the main brush how it looks. And yes, I'm using a Roborock to clean the Roborock. The side brush is really full of hair, completely clogged. Okay, the main brush is quite full of hair on the sides and a bit on the middle. Inside, nothing really problematic, not much debris. Also, you can see here that... Okay, I cleaned all the moving parts from the hair. Now take your vacuum and vacuum everything up. After that, get a cleaning solution. I like to use clean, spray it on the cloth, just make it damp, wet a bit, and clean everything up, especially the sensors. You want that's why I like to use clean. It leaves no streaks on the glass, plastic and so on, and it is great for these kind of things. You can assemble things now. I will start with the side brush, and that is completely assembled. Do a quick wipe of the top part. Always avoid to spray directly on your robot, because the liquids can find its way inside and do a water damage. Also, don't skip the sensors. In this case, the camera is full of dust. You don't want that to happen. Okay, I want to speak about conclusion right now. And conclusion about a Roborock, in my case as the brand, and I have the S7 regular, is that they really have a high quality products. This is a realistic opinion with a few of their products which I use for a prolonged period of time. I had some complaints regarding S7 MaxV. At first, the software wasn't particularly good. It had a problem when you turn on all advanced sensors. It just didn't clean well, and I will explain you why. Here is a simple example. When it was going around the corners of furniture and so on, it will just have too much distance, around 1 centimeter. It won't hit anywhere, but that was not practical overall. Also, it had problems with chairs and parts like this around the chairs. A regular robot without a 3D camera and so on would just go maximally inside, and when the front bumper activates, it will realize that it has obstacle in front of it, and it will stop, but it will clean the maximum amount of space. MaxV didn't do that. It just cleaned like this, and it was moving out. Now it just go deep, 99% like regular vacuums, but without hitting anything, which is really good and really practical. The software updates did well for this device. It really improved it to the point where I really forget about it. I turn it on, it cleans, and it do the job really well without stocking or something like that. I even don't care anymore if I left something on the floor, because it just avoids it and it never gets stuck. Before, I had situation that the robot closed the door and stuck on some weird places, on the weird items. With MaxV, that don't happen anymore at all, which is really great. I really like it, and it has my warm recommendation. So if you have any doubt, should you invest your money in device like this? Yes, definitely. Especially you will probably think now that this is commercial, but it is not. If you look at my original video, it did had complaints, but they fixed everything and improved it beyond that. Roborock S7 MaxV has my warm recommendation, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please consider subscribing, and until next time, see ya.